Hello and welcome to Edumate.tv, and these are the headlines for today.
All doctors should do compulsory 3 years rural service. Violation should lead to deregistration. Ban on medical practice, Parliamentary Committee said. At present, there are about 1,000 government schools and 1,700 private schools in Delhi, nearly all of which are affiliated with the Central Board of Secondary Education. It will be replaced by the recently announced Delhi Board of School Education, DBSE. Members in Lok Sabha pointed out that the COVID-19 pandemic has exposed a serious digital divide in the country, with a section of students not having access either to the internet or learning aids like tablets and smartphones. Responding to a discussion in Lok Sabha on demands for grants of the Education Ministry, Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank said research in higher education institutions has been excellent, but India is yet to catch up with filing and bagging patents. On the second day, JEE Main March exam is being held for BE and BTech aspirants. The first shift started at 9 a.m. The Delhi government is releasing funds amounting to Rs 28.24 crore for salaries of the staff of Delhi University colleges funded by it, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said. IGNOU has offered a total of 16 online programs to the overseas students from SAARC and non-SAARC countries, foreign students residing in India and NRI. Higher Education Minister Bhavar Singh Bhati said the state government's focus is on skill development and quality education. A total of 157 medical colleges are under different stages of implementation in various parts of the country, Union Health Minister Harshvardhan informed the Rajya Sabha. The Nagaland government has decided to allow schools to reopen for classes 1 to 5th following reports of improvement in the COVID-19 situation in the state, Senior Minister Niba Kronu said. The Meghalaya government has requested the Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs to allow the state's agencies to construct Eklavya Medical Residential Schools, Education Minister Lekhman Rimbui told the Assembly on Tuesday. Odisha government has urged the National Testing Agency to conduct the All India NEET UG 2021 examinations in all the 30 districts of the state instead of selected 7 cities. Pro Rajendra Singh, the newly appointed Vice Chancellor of the university, Professor Akhilesh Kumar Singh said that resolving their problems by communicating with the students will be their priority. Ramesh Pokhriyal, the Union Education Minister, has announced that the OTP RMS certificates will be linked with DigiLocker. The decision has been taken to ensure hassle-free access to OPT RMS certificates. Karnataka Primary and Secondary Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar called for stringent action against schools that are running offline classes for the students of classes 1 to 5th after a violation of the government's COVID-19 guidelines.
For more information, log on to www.edumate.tv.